Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Macarons Madras Samayal, only wait. Start by weighing ingredients precisely and separating eggs with care. Whisk whites to soft peaks, then gradually add sugar while maintaining a glossy meringue. Fold in sifted almond flour and powdered sugar until batter flows like lava. Pipe uniform rounds, rest until skins form, and bake at a moderate temperature for chewy interiors and crisp shells. Whipping the meringue is where texture comes alive, so take your time and focus on feel. Begin with clean, grease-free bowls and a gentle whisk speed to build foam. Add sugar in stages to stabilize bubbles and maintain shine. Watch for the right peak height and stop just before stiff, dry peaks form. The correct meringue yields light, airy shells that support smooth feet and glossy tops. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free floor cleanup after baking sessions and voice control convenience. It saved me time on crumb patrol and keeps counters tidy while I focus on piping perfect shells. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Folding is a gentle art that balances air and structure, so fold until the batter drops slowly in a thick ribbon. Pipe rounds using a template if you like, and tap the tray to remove big air pockets. Let shells rest until a dry skin forms, then bake on middle rack at a moderate temperature for even rise. Cool fully before pairing with your filling for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.